Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Sandy and I invite you to subscribe. Today I am going to be finishing up putting this journal together with my new Cinch tool. I did an unboxing video if you want to check that out. But what I'm working on, so I have my papers here, and what I'm working on is covering my front and back covers. And then I will punch holes in them so that then I can finish binding. And I'm just going to make some marks here. I'm going to try to use both the this sheet for both the front and back. We'll see if I can make it work. And then I'll cover the inside cover with another piece of paper. But I'm going to give it a try. It's probably not, because I want to fold over the edges, so we'll see if I can make it work, but it's going to be tight for sure. But I definitely have more room on the top and bottom. So let me trim this down. Grab my trimmer. I hope you are having a good day. I'm having a good day. It's Wednesday, and I did have my bowling league this morning, and I bowled pretty good, but we only won one of our three games. That's kind of a bummer. And I want to use this for the cover for the front. And I think I'll have it go like that. Yeah, see, I don't know if I'll be able to get it around the side edges, but I will definitely try. Yeah, we'll give it a go. You'll find out with me if it's going to work or not. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue here. I'm going to do it like I normally do my fabric covers, and we'll see if that'll work. But so far, I like this Cinch machine. So I think I'll definitely be making some more journals with it. And the thing I really like about it is that you can make different sizes. You can make small ones, big ones. I'm trying to not get glue all over my fingers, but that's not working. I did a little shopping after we got done with bowling, and I found a couple cute outfits. One for an outfit for both my granddaughters, and so I think I'll give that to them for Valentine's Day. And I also bought them. Fold this up this way. I bought them at Target. They had these cute little s'mores plushes, and I got them each one. Okay, that's looking good so far. And I'll do the bottom here, and then I'll do the sides. Hopefully this will work. Yeah, folding the chipboard up instead of trying to fold the paper is sometimes a good tip, so that you don't crack the paper, and you get a nice fold right up on the edge of the chipboard. So if you've seen my videos where I've been cleaning up my craft room, well, it's gotten messy again. It happens though. But I'm really excited. I'm so close on my next journal. And I should be posting videos of that soon for you to see. I like how it's coming out, and it's been a good challenge for me because it's not a typical journal I would make. So that's been a good experience for me. So I'm going to have to hold this down till the glue sets. Thinking, I wonder if I should be using reptile glue maybe. Oh no, looks like it's setting now. Okay, good deal. Okay, that's working. My inside cover is going to have to go right to the edge though, which I think is fine. Okay, that's working out nice. Nice, okay. That's pretty. That is so pretty. I love it. Yep. And then let's do this last side over here. And then I'll cover the back side off camera because it'll be the exact same process as this one. And then I'll turn the camera back on as I use the cinch to bind the journal. But my plans for this journal, I thought it would be fun to make it an idea journal for me. So when I find different types of page decorations that I like, I'm going to use this journal. I'm going to do that in this journal. And that way, if I've lost some inspiration or lost my mojo, then I can maybe use this journal to kind of get my mojo back. Oh, how pretty. And then I think I'll ink up around the edges for sure. And I'll probably put something like right here. I don't know if I'll call it. I don't know. It's not going to be my art journal, but I'll put something right there. Maybe idea journal or something like that. Let me do the same thing with this back piece, and then we'll bind it. I started to punch this out and I realized that the glue hadn't dried, so I've set these aside, and I'm I'm now going to finish punching the holes in this now that the glue has dried. And I have a whole video showing you how to use this if you're interested in catching that video. So I'm going to punch the holes out on both of these, and then I'll be back to put the book together. I have the holes all punched out, and now I want to get the cover put back onto here, and then we'll do a cinch. So you put the hoops over the little white spots right here, and then this is the back and this is the front. So you put the front on, and then you put the back on where this is facing the front, because after you crimp it, you flip it around to the back of the book. So then you take it off of here and you flip it around, and I guess I start at one end and I put it in here. I guess this is how we do it. You all are my guinea pigs. And push it down. Well, it didn't really crimp it. Or do I put it in this way? Let's try this side. I feel like that needed to be pushed into that. Yeah, something's not quite right. Do it like that, maybe. Let's try this one. Ah, there we go. Okay, so I didn't have that. Let's see if I can bend these back out. I didn't have it quite pushed in there all the way. All right, let's see if I can repeat this. Okay, that's good, except I don't have that one. Ha! Ah, that's looking much better. Okay. So you have to have that positioned just right there. Perfect. And then this one up here. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then you take your back cover and flip it around. Look at how cute that looks. Oh my gosh. I love it. Let's see how well the pages flip. Oh yeah, perfect. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. And then, there we go. Okay. So cute. All right, so this will be fun to do some decorating in here. Yeah, I used a mixed media paper, so it's a thick paper. All right, I love it. I love this paper on here. I think that's so pretty. Okay, I think that turned out well. And so this is hidden from the back cover because of the way you crimp it, because you had this flipped around to this side. So then that is hidden. That looks really nice. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, I want to make more of these now. Oh gosh. All right. Well, I do want to do a quick, I have some new subbies and I want to do a shout out. It's Just Me, Barbie D, Brenda Aller, Madra Rubber, Amy Launchbury, Lorraine Hoban, and Cheyenne Zach. And I apologize if I didn't say any of your names correctly. And then I had a few new subbies. Lori Giggle Girls Art, who commented on a video, and Butterfly Meadow Homestead left some comments, so I appreciate that. And Gigi, Dewey, April, Lori Giggle Girl Arts, Brandy Pirelli, Randy Roki, Nonstop Mom, Mary Kiesler, Linda Graham, and Carol Schlabach. Thank you all so much for commenting on my videos recently. Just wanted to do a quick shout out, and a shout out to my new patrons, Stephanie, J-Mac, and Nancy and Sue. So thank you all so much, and I will see you all on the next video. So I think I might add a pocket here, and maybe I'll do my first decorating in my journal in my next video. All right, guys, y'all have a wonderful day, and love y'all. See you in the next video. Bye.